Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our maths online class. Today we are going to discuss about addition of mixed fractions. Addition of mixed fractions. Okay, children, open your textbooks, page number 146. See here, children. To add mixed numbers, change them to improper fractions first. First, we have to change the numbers into improper fractions. Here, the first Roman is addition. Now see children, what is the first sum? 1, 2 by 3 plus 3, 1 by 2. What we have to do here? We have to convert the mixed numbers into improper numbers. No, see here, what is the first one? 1, 2 by 3 equals to, here keep the into and plus. In between this 3 and 1, we have to write into. Multiplication we have to do. In between 1 and 2, we have to write the plus symbol. Addition. Okay. See here. 3 into 1 plus 2 by, what is the denominator here? 3. Okay. What is the denominator? 3 is the constant. Write the denominator as 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 how much? 5 by 3. Okay, this is the improper fraction number. Next number is 3, 1 by 2. 3, 1 by 2 equals to, right here into and right here plus. So, 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 equals to, 2 3s are how much? 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by, what is the denominator? 2, no, right here? 2. What are the two numbers here? What is the improper two numbers? 5 by 3 and 7 by 2. Right here down. 5 by 3. Here what we have to do? Addition, no, right here? Plus 7 by 2. What are the denominators numbers? 3 and 2. These two numbers also different, no? Again, we have to do the LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2. 3 and 2 are the which numbers? Composite numbers are prime numbers. These two numbers are the prime numbers. So, see here children. 3. Ones are 3. Only 2 factors are there. And again, 2 also has 2 factors only. 2, 1. So here, what is the LCM? LCM is equals to 6. See children here. Here 3 is there. No, right here 3 into here 2. Right here 2. 3 2s are 6. So the LCM is which number? The LCM is 6. Here the LCM number is 6. So what is the first number? 5 by 3. Right here 5 by 3. 5 by 3 equals to 5 by 3 into. In 3 table 6 is there, no? How many times? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Right here 2. 2. 5 twos are how much? 5 twos are 10 by next 3 twos are 6. Here the denominator and LCM both the numbers are same. Next, what is the second number? 7 by 2. Right here 7 by 2. 7 by 2 equals to 7 into 2 into. In 2 table 6 is there or not there children? Yes. How many times? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Right here 3. 3. 7 threes are how much? 7 threes are 21 by next 2 threes are 6. Write these two numbers down. 10 by 6 plus next 21 by 6. What is the denominator number? Here the denominators are same. So these two fractions are like fractions. Simply we have to add the numerator numbers. Right here the denominator number 6. So here see children, what are the numerator numbers? 10 plus 21. Right here. 10 plus 21. 10 plus 21 means how much? 10 plus 21 is equals to 31 by 6. 31 by 6. Again we have to convert this number into mixed fraction. Why? Because what is the question? 1 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. The mixed numbers are there, no? So here also we have to convert this number into mixed fraction. What is the number here? 31 by 6. Now we have to do the division here. 6, 31. In 6 table, 31 is there or not there? Not there. But 30 is there, no? Yes, right here. 6 5 is 30. What is the remainder? 31 minus 30 equals to 1. The remainder is 1. So right here children, 31 by 6 equals to, write the denominator first. Okay, what is the quotient here? Quotient is 5. Right here 5. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Right here 1. See here 6 5 is 30. 30 plus 1 is equals to 31. So what is the quotient here children? 1 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2 equals to how much? 5 1 by 6. Okay. 1 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2 equals to 5 1 by 6. The second one, 1 1 by 2 plus 2 2 by 3 plus 3 3 by 4. At first we have to convert these numbers into improper fraction. First number is 1 1 by 2 equals to, here we have to into and plus. So 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 equals to 2 ones are 2 plus 1 is equals to how much? 3 by 2. Next number is 2 2 by 3 equals to into 4. 3 into 2 plus 2 by 3. 3 2s are how much children? 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is equals to 8 by 3. Next one. What is the next one? 3 3 by 4. 3 by 4 equals to 4 into 3 plus 3 by, the denominator 4, now I have write the 4 only. Next see here 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is equals to how much? 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 by 4. Write these 3 numbers down. What are the 3 numbers children? 3 by 2 plus 8 by 3 plus 15 by 14. See children here once. Here what are the denominators? 2, 3, 4. The denominators are different. So what we have to do? We have to do the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. We have to do the LCM here. See children, what are the LCM numbers here? 2, 3, 4. These 3 numbers are divisible in which table? 2 table, 2 is there, 4 is there, but 3 is not there, no need. Right here 2. 1s are 3, 2. Here 3 and 2 are 2 different numbers, no? Write these numbers. 2 into 3 into 2 is equals to 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Very good. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. What is the LCM number here? LCM equals to 12. LCM equals to which number? 12. So here what is the first number children? 3 by 12. 3 by 12 equals to 3 by 12 into. In 2 table, see 12 is there or not there? How many times? Yes, very good. 6. 6. 3 6 are how much? 3 6 are 18. 2 6 are 12. Now what is the second fraction? 8 by 3. 8 by 3 equals to 8 into 3 into. In 3 table, here what is the LCM number? 12. No, in 3 table, 12 is there or not there? Yes, how many times? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So write here 4, 4. Children, tell me 8 4s are how much? 8 4s are 32 by, next 3 4s are 12. Next one, see here, 15 by 4. 15 by 4 equals to 15 into by 4 into. In 4 table, 12 is there or not there, children? Tell me 12, 4 table, 12, sorry, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Right here, 3, 3. So, 15 into 3 is equals to 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45 by 4 3s are 12. So, here all the denominators are same. Write these 3 numbers down. Okay. 18 by 12 plus 32 by 12. 32 by 12 plus 45 by 12. 45 by 12. Here see children, what are the denominator numbers? The denominator numbers are equal. So this fraction is called, which fraction it is? Like fraction. Simply we have to add the numerator numbers. First write the denominator number. Next write the numerator numbers. 18 plus 32 plus last one 45. 18 plus 32 plus 45 is equals to how much? Tell me children, do the addition and tell the answer. 18 plus 32 plus 45 total how much? 95 by 12. 95 by 12. 18 plus 32 plus 45 by 12 is equals to 95 by 12. See here children, again this number we have to convert it into the mixed fraction. No? This number 95 by 12, this is the improper fraction. We have to convert this number into mixed fraction. Mana question lo mixed fraction ichcharu kada. So we have to convert this number into also mixed fraction. Do the division. 12, 95. In 12 table, 95 is there or not there children? Tell me. Not there. But small number is there, no? 12 8s are 96. Big number. So we have to take 12 7s are. 12 7s are 84. 95 minus 84 is equals to 11. Okay, see here. 12 7s are 84. 95 minus 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 11. So 95 by 12 equals to, what is the denominator number? 12 we have to write 12 only. And what is the quotient here? Quotient we have to write in the whole part. 7. Remainder we have to write in numerator. 7 11 by 12. 7 11 by 12. What is the quotient here children? Quotient is there no? 1 by 2 plus 2. 2 by 3 plus 3. 3 by 4 equals to 7 11 by 12. Okay na? మనకి ఇప్పుడు 3 నెంబర్స్ మిక్స్డ్ నెంబర్స్ లో ఇచ్చారు. ఈ 3 నెంబర్స్ ని అడిషన్ చేయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ దిస్ నెంబర్స్ ఇంటూ ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. First we have to convert the numbers into improper fraction. Afterwards we have to take the denominator numbers and do the LCM. What we will get the LCM number is 12. Again we have to convert the denominator as 12. Okay. Next we have to convert the improper fraction number to the mixed fraction number. Next, second Roman is problem solving. Question children, a laborer worked for 3 by 4 hours in the morning and 3 1 by 6 hours in the evening on a particular day. At what hours in the morning? For 3 by 4 hours. In the evening, 3 1 by 6 hours. How many hours did he worked on the day? Now we have to find out the total how many hours he worked. Solution children. Number of worked hours in the morning. How many hours he worked in the morning? 4 3 by 4. Number of worked hours. Number of worked hours in the morning. How many hours he worked in the morning? 4 3 by 4 hours. Next. Number of worked hours in the evening. How many hours in the evening? 3 1 by 6 hours. Total number of hours. What we have to find here? Total number of hours did he worked on that day? No? Yes, see here. Total number of hours is equals to, we have to add this 2. 4, 3 by 4 plus 3, 1 by 6. Okay children, now see here, we have to convert these numbers into improper fraction. First one is 4, 3 by 4 equals to here into and plus. We have to multiply these two numbers and we have to add the quotient to the numerator number. 4 into 4 plus 3 by 4 equals to 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is equals to 19 by 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 by 4. Next one is 3, 1 by 6. 3, 1 by 6 into, in here plus, we have to write like this. 6 into 3 plus 1 by 6 is equals to, 6 3s are how much? 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 by, here what is number? 6, no, right here 6. Total, what are the numbers here? 19 by 4 plus 19 by 6. But here the two denominators are different. We have to do the LCM. LCM of 4 and 6. See here. First we have to do the 4. No? 4 is there in which table? 2 table. So 2 2s are 4. Next 2, 1. 4 equals to 2 into 2 into 1. Next 6. 2 3s are 6. Next 3 1s are 6 equals to 2 into 3 into 1. The common number is 2. So here LCM of 4 and 6 equals to, we have to write only 1 2, no? 2 into 3 into 1. Here 1 2 is there, no? Right here. One more 2. Sorry, right here one more 2 into 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 1s are 12. So LCM is 12. See children, what is the number of 9 by 4? 19 by 4. 19 by 4 equals to 19 into 4. In 4 table, 12 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 3 times. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 3. 3. 19 3s are how much? 57 by 4 3s are 12. Next one, what is the next one? 19 by 6. 19 by 6 equals to 19 into 6 into. See children, here in 6 table 12 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 2 times. 2 2. 19 2s are 38 by 6 2s are 12. 19 2s are 19 1s are 19. 19 2s are 38. 93 is 57. So 19 2s are 38 by 12. Here the denominators are same. Just we have to add these two numbers. 57 by 12 plus 38 by 12 equals to 12. 57 minus 38. Here the denominator is constant. No, write as 12 only. Numerators are 57 plus 38. 57 plus 38. 57 plus 38 means how much? 95 by 12. See children here. 57, 38. 57, 38. 8 plus 7 is equals to how much? 15. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Total how much? 95. 95 by denominator 12. No, right here 12. Again, in which fraction the number is there in question? The number is in mixed fraction. No, we have to convert the solution in mixed fraction only. Here what is the answer? 95 by 12. See here. This is a rough work. 95 in which table? 12 table. No, see. In 12 table 95 how many times are there? 7 times. 7s are 84. 7s are 84. What is the remainder? Remainder means 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. 9 minus 8 is equals to 1. The remainder is 11. See here children. 95 by 12 equals to How much? The denominator 12 only, no constant number. Right here 12. What is the quotient? 7 is the quotient. Right here whole part. What is the remainder? Remainder is 11, no, right here 11. So total how many hours he worked? 7. 11 by 12 hours total day he worked. Children, here now we are going to discuss about the subtraction of fractions. See the example here. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equals to, here the denominators are same. So we have to write as usual 4, and 3 minus 1 equals to how much? 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Okay, like this we have to do the subtraction of fractions. Open your textbook, page number 147. First one, subtract. Here the first one is 9 by 11 minus 7 by 11. See the solution, children. 9 by 11 minus 7 by 11. Here what is the denominator number? The denominator number is 11. So as usually we have to write 11, and next 9 minus 7. What is the numerator number? 9. Here we have to do the subtraction of minus and 7. 9 minus 7 is equals to how much? 9 minus 7 is equal to 7 after 8, 9. 2 by 11. 2 by 11. Next second sum. See children, second sum see. 9 by 13 minus 5 by 13. Here what we had to write at first? We had to write the denominator as usual 13. And what are the numerator numbers? 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are there? 4 by 13. Okay children, addition also like this, no, but here we have to do the subtraction. Addition kuda same ilane untadi. Addition appudu em cheyalante add chestam. Subtraction appudu em chestunnamo? Subtract cheyali. Okay. The second one is subtract the following. See children, first one 4 3 by 8 minus 2 5 by 8. At first what we have to do children? At first we have to convert these numbers into improper fraction. See here. 4 3 by 8 equals to, here we have to keep into plus 8 into 4 plus 3 by 8 equals to, the denominator is 8 only, no, write 8. 8 fours are how much? Tell me, 8 fours are, 8 table tell. Yes, 8 fours are 32. 32 plus 3 is equals to how much? 32, 33, 34, 35. So 35. Next. 2 5 by 8 equals to, into here plus 8 into 2 plus 5 by 8 equals to, 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 5 is equals to 21 by 8. Here the denominators are same. So it is easy to subtract the number. 35 by 8 minus 21 by 8. 35 by 8 minus 21 by 8. 35 minus 21 by 8. How much? 35 minus 21 by 8 is equals to 14 by 8. The question is mixed fraction. We have to convert this number into mixed fraction. Here see the division children. 8, 14. In 8 table 14 is there or not there? Not there. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. Big number, no? So take number, small number. Ones are 8. 14 minus 8 is equals to 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many are there? 6. 14 by 8 equals to, the denominator same. We have to write the denominator as same. Next quotient is there, no? Quotient right here, whole part. What is the remainder? Is 6, no, right here numerator. So 14 by 8 equals to 1 6 by 8. What is the question here children? 4 3 by 8 minus 2 5 by 8 equals to how much? What is the answer we get? 1 6 by 8. 1 6 by 8. మనకి మిక్స్డ్ నెంబర్లో ఇచ్చిన ప్రతి దాన్ని కూడా మనం కన్వర్ట్ చేసి చేయాలి. ఓకే. Here children, the next one, page number 148. Subtraction with different denominators from a whole number, subtracting a fraction from one whole. Here whole number is there, we have to subtract that. This circle is divided into 4 equal parts. See here circle, the circle will be divided into 4 equal parts. From 1, subtract 1 by 4. This is all total 1. The shaded part is only one part. See here, this is the shaded part. Total is 1 by 4. We have to remember one thing. What is that? 1 equals to 4 by 4. Here, this sum. 1 minus 1 by 4 equals to 1 means what I told? 4 by 4, no? 4 by 4. ఇక్కడ మనకి కొన్ని సమ్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ సమ్స్లో 1 అని ఇచ్చి -1/4 ఇచ్చారు. ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దాన్ని న్యూమరేటర్లో డినామినేటర్లో ఇక్కడ 1+లో వేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెంబర్? 4 is there, no? So here we have to write the 4 by 4. 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4 equals to, easily to find out the subtraction. The denominators are same. So we have to write 4 and the numerator 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. 3 by 4. What is the remainder? The remainder is 3 by 4. What we have to remember? We have to remember one thing, that is 1 equal to 4 by 4. Okay children, next see here. Subtract 3 minus 7 by 8. Here 3 is there, no? Multiply 3 by the denominator and make it as a fraction. We have to multiply the 3 as a denominator and make it as a fraction. 3 ఉంది కదా, ఈ 3ని మనం ఏం చేయాలి? 3 ప్లేస్లో ఎలా రాసుకోవాలంటే 8 3s are how much? 8 3s are 24. We have to write this number into which one? Here we have to write this number into numerator and 8 కామన్ గా ఉండాలి కాబట్టి 8 ఇక్కడ వేసుకోవాలి. ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ని ఈ పైన వేసుకోవాలి న్యూమరేటర్లో. డినామినేటర్ కాన్స్టెంట్ గా ఉంచాలి. 24 by 8 minus what is the number here? 7 by 8, no? 7 by 8 equals to 24 minus 7 equals to how much? 17 by 8. Again we have to convert this number into which one? Mixed fraction. See here, like this we have to convert. Next method, see children, subtract 4 minus 2 1 by 7. Here mixed fraction is there already, they gave the mixed fraction. So how we will convert? See here, first right here 4 is there, no? That 4 we have to take down, minus 2, again we have to keep minus 1 by 7. 4 minus 2 is equals to how much? 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 minus 1 by 7. 2 will write 1 plus 1, no? 1 plus 1 అంటే 2 కదా. 2ని మనం ఎలా రాసుకోవాలంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 7. 2ని 1 plus 1 గా రాసుకున్నాం. 2 as we have to write 1 plus 1, here minus 1 by 7 is there, write 1 by 7 equals to 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 7. 1 plus, here 1 means what I told, here numerator, see here, sorry, denominator ఏ నెంబర్ ఉంటే ఆ నెంబర్ పైన కింద డినామినేటర్లో న్యూమరేటర్లో వేసుకోవాలని చెప్పా కదా. See here, 1 plus 7 by 7 minus 1 by 7. So here 1 plus 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. The denominator is 7. Total what is this number? 1 6 by 7. 1 6 by 7. Children, here what is the question? 1 minus 1 by 5. What I told? 1 equals to 5 by 5. 1 equals to 5 by 5. So here 1 minus 5 equals to 5 by 5. Now 1 means 5 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Here what is the denominator? The denominator is common number. So we have to write 5. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్లో ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే ఉంటుందో న్యూమరేటర్లో డినామినేటర్లో సేమ్ అదే నెంబర్ని రాయాలి. ఓకే, what is the next question? 4 minus 2 1 by 4. 4 minus 2 1 by 4. Okay, now what we have to do? First write the solution here. 4 minus 2 1 by 4. Again 4 minus 2 minus 1 by 4. ఇక్కడ 2 పక్కన కూడా మైనస్ పెట్టాలి. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ 4 minus 2 is equals to how much? 4 minus 2 is equals to 2 minus 1 by 4. 2 minus 1 by 4. 2 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. 2 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు అని చెప్పానా? 2 equals to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 only, no? We can write 1 plus 1 also. So here 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 1 plus 1 by 1 means how what? what we will write? 1 means 4 by 4. 1 means 4 by 4. Right here 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Here 2 means we have to write 1 plus 1. Afterwards 1 means what? 1 is equals to 4 by 4. No? Right here 4 by 4. 1 plus, see children, here the denominators are same. So write the denominator same. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Total what is this number? 1, 3 by 4. 1, 3 by 4. Children, first we have to do the 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Afterwards 2 we will write 1 plus 1. No, just write here 1 plus 1. 1 means again what I told, 4 by 4. Here what is the denominator? First we have to see that the denominator is 4. So here we have to write 4 by 4. If the denominator is 5 means we have to write 5 by 5. If the denominator 10 means we have to write 10 by 10. But here the denominator 4, no, so we have to write here 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Afterwards 1 plus the denominator here like fractions are there, no, so write here 4. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. See in the next page, subtraction with different denominators. Here subtraction with different denominators. See children, here is the example 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Here what is the denominator numbers? The denominators numbers are 4 and 5. Different numbers. Roman, subtract. First sum is 4 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Here the denominators are 5. 3. These two numbers are which one? Composite numbers are prime numbers. 5 and 3 are the prime numbers. Numbers are prime numbers means simply we can multiply these two numbers. So LCM of 5 and 3 equals to 5 3s are how much? 15. LCM number is 15. So here what is the first number? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 equals to 4 into 5 into. In 5 table 15 is there or not there? Yes. How many times? 3 times. 5 3s are 15. 4 3s are. 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. Second number enter 1 by 3. 1 by 3 equals to, in 3 table 15 is there or not there children? Yes, in 3 table 15 is there. How many times? 5 times. 5. 5. 1 5 is a 5. 3 5 is a 15. 1 5 is a 5. 3 5 is a 15. Here the two denominators are same. So just write these two numbers. 12 by 15 minus 5 by 15 equals to 15. 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 means how much? 7 by 15. Denominators are same, no? Just we have to subtract the numerators only. Okay? Numerators only. 12 minus 5 is equals to how much? 7 by 15. What is the question here? 4 by 5 minus 1 by 3 equals to 7 by 15. See the second question. 2 1 by 2 minus 1 2 by 3. Here this is the mixed fraction. So at first we have to convert now. See the first one. 2 1 by 2 equals to 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. Here into and here plus no. Just write like this. 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and plus 1 equals 2 2s are how much? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Next 1 2 by 3 equals to into plus. Just write like this. 3 into 1 plus 2 by 3. Okay children. Now see 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 by 3. Write these two numbers as down. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 3. Children, see here the denominators are different. First we convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. But here the denominators are different. Again what we have to do here? Again we have to do the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means how much? 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Why? Because these two numbers are prime numbers. No, nothing is there. 2. See here, just 2 ones are 2. Next 3 means 3 ones are 3. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Like this only, no? ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్సే ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, 2 నెంబర్స్ కూడా, ఆ 2 నెంబర్స్ని మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఎందుకంటే ఎల్సిఎం చేయడానికి కూడా ఏముండదు కదా వాటికి నెంబర్స్. సో జస్ట్ డూ ద మల్టిప్లికేషన్. సో 5/2. First number is 5/2 equals to 5 into 2 into. See children, what is the LCM number? The LCM number is 6. We have to get the 6 in denominator number. No, denominator number lo manaki 6 ravali. So in 2 table 6 is there or not there? Is how many times? 3 times. So 5 3 is a 15. 2 3 is a 6. Next, what is the second number? 5/3. 5/3 equals to 5 into 3 into. In 3 table also 6 is there. How many times? 2 times. 5 2s are 10. Next one. 3 2s are 6. Write these two numbers. 15/6 minus 10/6. 15/6 minus 10/6 equals to. The denominator is same, no? Write 6. 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10 is equals to how much? 5/6. 5/6. First what we did? First we have to convert the mixed numbers into improper fraction. Afterwards we have to do the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. Again we have to convert the denominator and LCM number. Both the numbers same. Both the numbers are same to get. అన్ని నెంబర్స్ సేమ్గా రావాలి. డినామినేటర్ది ఎల్సిఎంది సేమ్గా ఉండేలాగా మనం మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ ద న్యూమరేటర్స్. ద డినామినేటర్ ఈస్ కాన్స్టాంట్.
Children, master should complete your classwork and homework sent to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.